finally, after going MIA for about 2 weeks, although I think it was actually still in customs for those 2 weeks, even though the tracking said it had cleared customs, it has finally arrived from its journey from Germany. Took almost about a month for it to get here. It is a Land Rover fire truck kit from Italeri, and it's today's What's in the Box. So let's get to it. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. And we're taking a look at the Land Rover fire truck kit from Italeri. Now this is not a new kit. This is basically going to be reboxing of the old ESCI kit, the African Safari Land Rover kit from sometime in the 80s. I believe the Land Rover tooling for ESCI goes back actually into the 70s when it was initially released as the LWB 109 Land Rover kit. Is when they started with their Land Rover tooling. You get a couple of different choices for fire trucks. You get the Hampshire County Fire Service, which is on the cover. You get a Germany fire truck version, a Austrian, and a Spain version to build. So with that, let's jump into it. Check it out. And getting us started with the body. As you can see, it is a two-piece body. The roof is separate. And now take a look at the roof. And now we get started with the frame. So yes, it will be a curbside kit. Now getting us started with the first of the main parts tree. This is going to be basically all the parts for the actual for the truck itself. Now we're going to take a look at the majority of the parts in the tree are going to be for the firefighting stuff, the fire truck bits, if you will. Be the roof rack piece there. Now take a look at the tires. They're going to be the Blank Sidewall brand tires, and you get 5 of them. And now take a look at the clear parts tree. And now take a look at the decal sheet. You can see the various options for the different fire brigades that you can build. So that's going to do it for this look at the Land Rover fire truck kit from Italeri. So on that note, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.